In this video, we look into for loop. We are in book 1 Excel and let us create sheet 2 and 3. We have sheet 1. Let us create sheet 2 and sheet 3. Now we'll go to the developer tab and go to Visual Basic and insert module. Here I'll take a subroutine and we'll write the code to show numbers 1 to 5 in a message box, looping through them using for next. So dim x as integer for x is equal to 1 to 5. We have to show it in a message box and next. So now let us run this and then run. So it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have looped through 1 to 5 using for and next and showed those numbers in a message box. Now let us comment this part of the code. Now we'll show the sheet names. We have created sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So we'll show the sheet names. So for that we have to activate the book 1. So workbooks of book 1 dot activate. We have activated the book 1 and we will take a str, dim str as worksheet, and for each str in worksheets we will show the in a message box str dot name, and then we'll end this for loop with next. Here we are using for each str. So now let us run this. The first one is sheet 1, next is sheet 2, next is sheet 3. So we got 3 sheets. So we are shown the sheet names. So here we have shown numbers 1 to 5 using the for next, and here we have shown the worksheet names using for each str and then for each and then next. Str is the what we are defined as a worksheet to store these the worksheet names in the str. Now instead of showing the numbers in a message box, we'll print the numbers. So let me delete this part of the code. We go to the spreadsheet. We are going to show the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So let us go to the Visual Basic. Here for r is equal to 1 to 5, I have to access the cells, see cells, and the row index would be r, is changing from 1 to 5, and the column index would be in the first column. So 1 dot value is equal to whatever the value that r is getting. So we have to print 1, 2, 3, 4. So and then next r. So we have to go to the next r. Now let us execute this. Let us go to the spreadsheet and see in here. Now go to Visual Basic and we'll run this. Now go to spreadsheet. So it has printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we used for r is equal to 1 to 5. In the cells we got row index and the column index. We are printing in the first column, so we fixed it as 1, and for row we have to go to the next row for each number. So we are given r here. R is changing from 1 to 5 because we are saying after it writes. Now we'll show this or print these numbers once a button is clicked. So let us take another subroutine. Suppose we say serial number as num underscore click. Here we'll call this LST subroutine. Call LST. So this LST subroutine has got the code which is printing the numbers, and snum underscore click is the button. Here we are calling the LST, this subroutine, when this button is clicked. So we'll assign the button to this function in the spreadsheet. So let us go to the spreadsheet. Now let us delete these values now, so that we'll on button click we'll print them. Delete this and I'll delete this. Now we'll insert a button. Insert. This is the button. We'll get a plus sign. Let us create a button here. And here it is giving us macro name button one click, but we already created S number click, that is serial number click. So I'm saying okay. So we assign that macro to that. And here we are going to change the text here. We'll say print 1 to 5. So we are already assigned the functionality to this button. So now it is showing us this hand symbol. So when I click this button, it is printing 1 2 3 4 5. So to select this button, again control and then click, and then when you right click and then assign macros, you can see that snum underscore click macro has been assigned to this. And if you go to the Visual Basic code, snum underscore click, we are calling the LST subroutine, and LST subroutine has got the code to print the numbers 1 to 5. So that's why here it has printed 1 to 5 numbers. Now we'll print the numbers in the reverse order, that is 5 4 3 2 1. So let me delete this part of the code. So if we go here to the spreadsheet, we're going to delete this, delete this, delete this and delete this. Now we are going to write 5 here, 4 here, 3 2 1. So let us go back to the code. Here I'll declare tim p as integer, and I'll assign p to 1. And now for r is equal to 5 to 1, step minus 1. We are stepping down from 5, we are going to 1. So we have to say minus 1, 5 minus 1, and then 4 minus 1. That's how this will go on, this loop. So next r, that's how we end it. So in between we'll write the code cells of p comma 1 dot value is equal to r. So r is going down from 5 to 1, and p we have to increase it. P is equal to p plus 1. So p goes from 1 2 3 4 5. So we are moving down the rows 1 2 3 4 5, and we are writing from 5 to 1, 5 4 3 2 1. So let us save it. let us just execute this. Next, go to the spreadsheet. We will see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it has written in the reverse order numbers 1 to 5. Go to the code, we will see that for r is equal to 5 to 1, we are stepping down -1, and there is a p integer we are declared, assigned it to 1, and we are incrementing it by 1, and we are writing it into the cells p and column 1, the value r. So that's how we can use this for next loop to print the numbers in the reverse order. Please subscribe, share and comment.